In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $300 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON PD 1161 Tablet. The GAOMON PD 1161 is an 11.6-inch IPS HD graphics drawing digital tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a pressure level of 8192. It features a lightweight and portable design, making it convenient for on-the-go creation. With 8 shortcut keys and 5 menu keys, users can customize their creative habits to accelerate work efficiency. The screen offers accurate and natural lines during digital creation, and the tablet is compatible with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12 or later. The battery-free digital pen with silicone covering ensures a comfortable and pain-free experience during prolonged use. Number 2. GAOMON PD 2200 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON PD 2200 is a 21.5-inch pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a pressure sensitivity of 8192 levels. It features a full laminated IPS HD screen with an anti-glare protective film, providing a visually precise drawing experience. The tablet comes with 8 shortcut touch keys and a stand that is adjustable from 15 degrees to 85 degrees. With a color gamut of 92% NTSC, the screen offers a broader and richer color range. Additionally, it supports a tilt angle of plus or minus 60 degrees and has a report rate of 266 pps. The PD 2200 is compatible with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12 or later. The package includes the tablet, stand, and AG protective film, eliminating the need for separate purchases. Number 3. HUION Digital Tablet. The HUION Pen Tablet Monitor is a high-concerned chemical-free digital tablet with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a 15.6-inch diagonal size. It offers 8192 pressure levels, 5080 LPI resolution ratio, and comes with a package including a digital pen. The tablet has an IPS LCD type with an active area of 344.16 by 193.59 mm and a contrast ratio of 1000:1. It features a battery-free electromagnetic resonance pen technology, 10 programmable press keys, and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android. The tablet has an anti-glare matte film surface finish and full lamination. Additionally, it has optional adjustable stand support and comes in Cosmo Black or Twilight Blue color options. Number 4. GAOMON PD 156 PRO Tablet. The GAOMON PD 156 PRO is a 15.6-inch IPS Full HD graphics tablet display with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and 8192 pressure levels, making it ideal for creating detailed art. It features a full laminated screen with an AG protective film, 9 customized shortcut keys, 1 OSD button, and 1 functional quick dial for easy customization. The tablet is lightweight at 1.3 kilograms and supports a tilt degree of plus or minus 60 degrees. It has a high contrast ratio of 1000:1, brightness of 220 candela per square meter, and a viewing angle of 178 degrees. The tablet is compatible with Windows 7 8.10 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, and works with major drawing software such as Photoshop and SAI. With its battery-free pen and 88% NTSC color gamut, the GAOMON PD 156 PRO is a versatile and efficient tool for digital art creation. Number 5. HUION Kamvas Pro 12 Tablet. The HUION Kamvas Pro 12 GT 116 is a high-resolution pen tablet monitor designed for professional digital artwork. Manufactured by HUION, a brand based in mainland China, it features a 11.6-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a 120% sRGB color gamut, offering vibrant and accurate colors. The tablet supports 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a pen resolution of 5080 LPI, providing a natural drawing experience with plus or minus 60 degrees tilt functionality. It includes a PW507 battery-free pen and comes with features like a touch bar for programmable press keys and full laminated technology for reduced parallax and enhanced durability. Connectivity options include a USB interface and a reversible Type-C video interface, compatible with Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, and Linux systems. The device weighs 765 g without its stand, which is adjustable for ergonomic positioning. Ideal for professional artists, it combines advanced features with ease of use and flexible connectivity.